This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Andrew McGranigan. Welcome home to this tastefully restored historic Victorian home in the vibrant Mechanicsville community. All the charm and character of a historic home, but loaded with all the modern amenities. Picture yourself entertaining or enjoying your morning coffee on the stunning covered front porch. Inside, you'll find original hardwood floors and ornate details throughout, featuring an open floor plan and spacious kitchen with granite counters and butcher block island, plus a main-level primary bedroom suite with updated ensuite bath. 15-minute walk to downtown Knoxville or the University of Tennessee. Fenced yard with new deck and patio to enjoy get-togethers and privacy. Don't miss the 2017 constructed accessory dwelling unit, which can be used as a short-term rental, separate living quarters, home gym, office, and so much more. Fully encapsulated crawl space by Master Dry with warranty. This is the home and community you've been waiting for. For more information,